Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is kayeonyx. Today it is 78 degrees and sunny, or 25 degrees Celsius. And today I want to talk about my top 5 tips to seeing more animals on your nature walks. Oh my gosh. So I found a frog. Okay, so we just found a leaf grasshopper. So let's get started. Alright, so number 1 would be look high and low. Don't have tunnel vision. As we all know, animals live down below and also in the sky. And so if you have tunnel vision, then you can miss something very easily. Keep your eyes peeled and scan from left to right as well as up to down. Using this tip, also keep in mind what types of animals you're looking for on the ground versus up high. Up high, things passing by, right? So look for that type of thing. But on the ground, you want to look for more smaller movements and more like wrestling, whether it's frogs, snakes. I wish it was snakes. Bugs. So yeah. So we made it over here, and if you look down here, this is my second thing. So number 2 would be look for a source of water. Not only mosquitoes love water, but also all sorts of life, they all rely on running water. If you can find pretty clean looking water where you can see the bottom, there's going to be a lot of life nearby. Let's continue on. Okay, so we just found a leaf grasshopper bug right there. I think it's the exact same color as the plants, but I just saw it hop. That is a bug, that's not a plant. Amazing. And they will stay perfectly still. Really great. Do you hear that? So my number 3 tip would be always keep your ears open if you're able to hear. It will help you find various animals. A lot of the time when you're out, then you will hear a lot more animals than you will actually see. And so if you follow your ears, whether it's rustling in the bushes or the wind sound of a bird passing by, or especially animal calls, that will help you find more animals. Look. Oh, goodbye. Oh my gosh, a baby frog. Where are you? Look at him. Hello. So I found a frog, a teeny one. Where are you going? Little man. You're so cute. You're so adorable. So listen to what I have to say, guys. It really helps me find various thingies. Thingies. that brings me to number 4. Look for animals in places you've found animals before. I know that this requires that you would have found something before, but this is really like if you see an ant. If you see something small in one area, then keep looking there. You might find something there again. That's why I specifically like to film in places where I found animals, because I know that I always find something over here. It's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. You're so cute. Look at him. Oh my god. Let him in. I'm gonna get a picture of him. You're very adorable. Let him in. You're so fast. Where are you going? You have to be careful. You look like a rock. You really have to be careful. You're right there. He's right here. I don't know if you can. They're great at camouflage. So follow my tips, guys, because we just found like 3 tiny frogs the size of like a quarter. Tried and true. Tried and true. So this next tip has to do with your feet. Try to not walk super loudly and try not to make too much noise. I'm naturally, a quiet person. Don't go out and scream, unless you want to scare all the wildlife away. But yeah, all sorts of life outside. And if you are too loud, then you could scare it away. And so try to blend and keep the same decibel level as everything else around you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you use my tips and that you find amazing animals outside on your nature walks. Of course, you have to be patient no matter what. You have to let the animals come to you. You can't disturb the nature. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you watched it all the way to the end, then please leave a like and subscribe. Do both of them. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.